Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get the green bean outfit for the next Grow a Garden update. If you wear this, you'll get a lot of rewards from the admin, hopefully. That's what I heard. So I'm just going to go to the Twitter, Jandal Roblox. You're going to select this Team Green Bean one to get the outfit. And then you're just going to play this game here. Press open. Okay, once you're here, you're just going to select join and then press OK. And then you're just going to select pay. Obviously, it's free. Press OK. And then you're going to select OK again. And then as you can see, you'll be Team Green Bean in no time. Put this outfit on and hopefully in the next Grow a Garden update, you'll get some sick rewards from the admin. So put this on to be Team Grow a Garden, Team Green Bean. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I will link the game in the description box down below and in the comment section as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!